Welcome to Human Resource Management, a beginner's guide for 2025. In this video, we will explore the fundamental aspects of HRM and its modern application in today's business landscape. This guide is designed to help you understand HRM's core principles and why it's indispensable in 2025. Let's redefine human resource management, commonly referred to as HRM. HRM is a strategic approach to managing people within an organization to ensure their performance aligns with the company's goals. It encompasses several key functions, including recruiting and onboarding talent, providing training, managing performance, maintaining employee relations, and ensuring compliance with labor laws. Essentially, HRM bridges the gap between employees and organizational objectives, ensuring everyone works towards a shared vision. Let's discuss the critical role human resource management plays in achieving an organization's objectives. First, HRM ensures talent acquisition and retention by attracting and keeping skilled individuals, which is vital for long-term success. Next is employee development, where HR fosters growth through training, creating a workforce that is skilled and adaptable to changing needs. Performance optimization comes into play as HR focuses on performance management to drive individual and collective success. Workplace harmony is another key aspect, as HR promotes collaboration and motivation, reducing turnover while increasing productivity. Finally, strategic alignment is achieved as HR aligns the workforce capabilities with the organization's mission and long-term strategic goals. Together, these elements demonstrate how HRM integrates with overall business strategy to ensure organizational excellence. Let's discuss how human resource management has evolved over the years and its expected role in 2025. Starting with a historical perspective, HRM initially focused on administrative tasks such as payroll and compliance. Over time, it shifted to becoming a strategic partner in business decisions, emphasizing employee engagement and innovation. Moving to the future of HRM in 2025, several trends stand out. Technology integration, AI and data-driven decision-making will be pivotal in streamlining processes and enhancing efficiency. Diversity, equity, and inclusion, DEI. A strong focus will be on fostering inclusivity and proactively addressing mental health and employee well-being. Work models, HR will play a crucial role in managing hybrid and remote work models effectively. Sustainability goals, HR will contribute to achieving sustainability and ESG, environmental, social, and governance, goals, ensuring businesses align with global standards. This transformation reflects how HRM has adapted to not only meet business demands but also to foster employee-centric and sustainable practices. Then we outline the core functions of human resource management that are crucial for any organization's success. Let's walk through each one. Recruitment and selection. This function is about identifying and hiring the right talent for the organization. It involves everything from crafting job postings to screening resumes, conducting interviews, and selecting the most suitable candidates who align with the company's needs and culture. Training and development. Once employees are on board, HR ensures they have the skills and knowledge to excel in their roles. This includes organizing workshops, e-learning sessions, and mentoring programs that foster both personal and professional growth. Performance management. HR plays a vital role in monitoring and improving employee performance. This involves setting clear objectives, conducting regular appraisals, and providing constructive feedback to ensure employees meet their goals and contribute to the organization's success. Compensation and benefits. This function covers both monetary and non-monetary rewards. Monetary compensation includes salaries, bonuses, and profit sharing, while non-monetary rewards include benefits like flexible working hours, recognition programs, and career development opportunities. Employee relations. Maintaining a healthy relationship between employees and management is crucial. HR mediates conflicts, fosters open communication, and works on strategies to create a collaborative and respectful work environment. These core functions form the backbone of HRM, helping to align organizational goals with the needs and growth of its workforce. let's discuss one of the most critical HRM functions, recruitment and selection. This process ensures that organizations bring in the right talent, which directly impacts overall performance and success. Let's break it down into the process. Attracting potential candidates. This involves creating engaging job postings and leveraging platforms such as social media, job portals, and employee referrals to reach a diverse pool of applicants. Shortlisting candidates. Here, applications are screened to identify those with the required qualifications and experience. This step narrows down the pool to individuals who closely match the job requirements. Conducting interviews and assessments. The final stage evaluates candidates through interviews, skill assessments, and other selection tools to ensure the best fit for the role. Now, let's discuss the importance of diversity and inclusion in recruitment. Broadens perspectives and fosters innovation. A diverse workforce brings varied experiences and ideas, driving creativity and problem-solving. Ensures equal opportunity. By embracing inclusivity, organizations create a fair hiring process that strengthens organizational culture. Meets legal and ethical standards. Compliance with labor laws and ethical hiring practices protects the company's reputation and ensures sustainability. Effective recruitment and selection lay the foundation for a talented, motivated, and inclusive workforce, which is critical to organizational growth. Let's focus on the core HR function of training and development, which is integral to equipping employees with the skills and knowledge required to meet both current and future organizational needs. Let's begin with the purpose of training and development. It aims to enhance employee capabilities, ensuring they stay relevant in a fast-evolving business environment. This ultimately supports organizational growth and innovation. Now, moving on to the current trends shaping training and development in the workplace. E-learning. With the rise of digital transformation, online courses and virtual workshops are gaining traction. These offer flexible learning opportunities, enabling employees to upskill at their own pace. Microlearning. This involves bite-sized, targeted learning content that can be consumed on the go. It's perfect for busy professionals looking to enhance their skills in short intervals. Personalized training paths. Tailored programs are designed to align with individual roles and career goals. This ensures training is both relevant and impactful, fostering employee engagement and productivity. By embracing these trends, organizations can create a dynamic learning culture that not only improves employee performance but also enhances retention and satisfaction. Now discuss about the critical aspects of performance management, a key HR function focused on maximizing employee and organizational efficiency. Let's start with the process. Setting clear objectives. The foundation of performance management lies in establishing measurable and achievable goals for employees. These objectives align individual efforts with the organization's broader vision and strategy. Regular evaluations. Performance is assessed through appraisals and feedback sessions. These evaluations provide opportunities for managers and employees to discuss achievements, challenges, and areas for improvement. Now, moving to the key tools used in performance management. Key performance indicators, KPIs. These are metrics used to monitor and evaluate an employee's performance. KPIs help track progress and identify areas needing attention. Real-time feedback. Unlike traditional annual reviews, real-time feedback offers continuous insights, fostering immediate improvements and enhancing employee engagement. By combining these structured processes and tools, performance management ensures that employees remain productive, motivated, and aligned with organizational goals. Let's explore the critical components and emerging trends in compensation and benefits, which are pivotal in attracting, retaining, and motivating employees. Let's begin with the components. Monetary rewards. These include direct financial incentives such as salaries, bonuses, and profit sharing. These rewards provide immediate and tangible value to employees, ensuring their financial stability. Non-monetary rewards. These focus on enhancing the work experience, including recognition programs, flexible work hours, and opportunities for career development. Such benefits promote employee satisfaction and long-term loyalty. Moving on to the trends for 2025. Employee wellness. Organizations are increasingly emphasizing wellness programs. These include mental health support, fitness memberships, and well-being days. Such initiatives reflect a growing awareness of the need to address employees' physical and emotional well-being. Innovative benefits. Companies are exploring creative options like financial counseling and family care programs. These benefits cater to the diverse needs of a modern workforce, ensuring inclusivity and support for employees across different life stages. In summary, a well-rounded approach to compensation and benefits is no longer optional but essential for organizations to remain competitive and foster a motivated workforce. This slide highlights the importance of employee relations and outlines strategies for fostering harmony in the workplace. Starting with the importance. Open communication. Strong employee relations foster transparent communication between management and employees, ensuring that everyone feels heard and valued. Conflict resolution. Addressing conflicts promptly and effectively is crucial to maintaining trust and ensuring that minor disagreements don't escalate into larger issues. Now, let's discuss the strategies for harmony. Building a culture of respect and inclusion. Promoting mutual respect and inclusivity creates a workplace where everyone feels valued and contributes positively. Transparent grievance mechanisms. Establishing clear and transparent systems for addressing employee grievances ensures fairness and builds trust within the organization. Team building activities. Regular team building initiatives help strengthen relationships, foster collaboration, and improve overall workplace morale. In summary, strong employee relations are the backbone of a motivated and engaged workforce, enabling organizations to thrive while supporting their employees' well-being and professional growth. Let's discuss some key trends that are expected to shape human resource management in 2025. Let's explore these. Use of artificial intelligence, AI. AI will be increasingly leveraged in HR tasks such as recruitment, training, and employee engagement. Hybrid work models. The rise of hybrid work models reflects a shift towards flexibility, allowing employees to split time between remote and in-office work. Mental health and well-being initiatives. Organizations are placing a stronger emphasis on mental health and well-being. Focus on ESG goals. Environmental, social, and governance (ESG) considerations are becoming a significant part of HR policies. These trends underscore how HRM is evolving to become more technology-driven, employee-centric, and aligned with global standards for sustainability and inclusivity. This slide emphasizes the critical role of legal and ethical considerations in human resource management. Key labor laws and compliance in 2025. Adhering to evolving labor laws is essential to avoid legal repercussions. This includes compliance with minimum wage regulations, anti-discrimination laws, and workplace safety standards. HR must stay updated on these changes to maintain organizational integrity. Ethical HR practices. HR policies must be rooted in fairness, transparency, and respect for employee rights. Ethical practices foster trust and ensure that decisions, such as hiring, promotions, or terminations, are unbiased and equitable. The role of HR in fostering a culture of integrity. HR professionals play a pivotal role in embedding a culture of integrity across the organization. This involves promoting ethical behavior, ensuring accountability, and setting clear expectations for professional conduct. Ultimately, legal and ethical considerations not only protect the organization from risks but also contribute to a positive and inclusive workplace culture, enhancing employee trust and engagement. This slide wraps up our discussion on human resource management and highlights the key takeaways. HRM's critical role. HRM is fundamental to driving business success by attracting, developing, and retaining top talent while fostering a positive and productive workplace environment. Strategic impact. HRM aligns workforce goals with the organization's objectives. It plays a strategic role in adapting to evolving trends such as artificial intelligence, hybrid work models, and ESG, environmental, social, and governance, priorities. Career opportunities. HRM offers diverse roles such as HR specialists, talent managers, and HR analysts. These roles can be pursued through certifications, advanced degrees, and hands-on internships, making HR a dynamic and rewarding field. Management integration. Non-HR managers can also benefit from HR principles by focusing on team motivation, fostering ethical practices, and ensuring clear and effective communication. Future-ready HRM. The HR profession must stay updated on legal, ethical, and technological advancements to contribute to organizational growth and sustainability in a rapidly changing world. To conclude, HRM is no longer just a support function but a strategic driver of business success, ensuring organizations are well prepared for the challenges of the future. Thank you for joining me in exploring human resource management in 2025. I hope this session provided valuable insights into HR's evolving role. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more engaging content. Stay tuned and keep learning.